Hey beachgoers, look at all the smells of the beach. What the heck? Get the hell out of here! Hey beachgoers, doesn't everyone just love the smells of the beach? Seagull crab, dead fish, ocean filled of piss. Well, now you can experience all of those awesome smells in everyday life. It smells so good, just like the beach.
Made on scenic lake fish piss in our real laboratory.
First, we rub the fish to extract the natural aromas. Then, we combine these fragrances with this rock. Then, we add the natural fragrance of some sort of tumbleweed thing. Then we add our secret ingredient. After an extra secret process, it's ready to be bottled in discarded cans and bottles we find at this very beach. The ladies find it irresistible. I think I just got bit by a fly.